Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, I know you guys have been waiting for this one. I have picked this up just a couple of minutes ago, and for obvious reasons, I'm covering the serial number and the IMEI numbers using some duct tape. But of course, this is the dual SIM version made in Vietnam, 128 gigs of storage, 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. And this one is the sky blue color. So that's what the box looks like. And that's what it looks like on the sides. There you go. Just your usual Samsung Galaxy box. So let's go ahead and peel this. So we can quickly go inside and see what this phone looks like. Now, I'm hearing a lot of stuff about the display. Can't wait to see that. So, ooh, sky blue. It's really blue. So there you go. Let's have a look at what's here first. So in here is going to be this, which contains your SIM ejector tool. That means we have physical SIM. That's good. Then you have some paperwork and a Type-C to Type-C cable. So that's all that comes in here. Okay, you have your usual paperwork, your warranty, your quick start guide, and whatnot. So this is the sky blue color. I'm not sure what I was expecting before I took it out of the box, but now it's really blue, and the side rails are also blue. And Samsung have gone back to aluminum instead of titanium, like we saw in the previous version. And that color is actually a really nice matte blue. It's shouting. I mean, it's good for us content creators, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you think it's too bright, because I have a feeling some people will think it's a bit too bright, because the blue also comes a bit to the front. You can actually see it all around. But let's take this off to see that display everyone is talking about. And that is the Galaxy S26 Ultra in sky blue in the flesh. All right, so you have your usual clicky and tactile buttons. You have your cameras, okay, the whole camera array setup. Where is the SIM tray? Right, so at the bottom is where the SIM tray is. Let's have a quick look at that SIM tray. So I want to see if it's actually a dual physical SIM or single. So let's have a look at that. Let me just pop out this SIM tray real quick and see what's going on here. So SIM 1, says SIM 1 here. Let's have a look. And SIM 2 on the other side. So no micro SD card expansion slot. Only 2 physical SIM cards are allowed in this particular version made for this market. Okay. Then you have your microphones at the top there. This is a bit of a camera bump, so it's going to wobble a bit on a desk, as you can see, but that shouldn't be a big issue. Okay. You have your Type-C port there. You have your downward facing speaker. You have the S Pen, which this year it's a bit curved. Okay, so if you have to put it one way. If you put it the other way, and oh, it's white as well. Okay, so the sky blue font comes with a white S Pen, and of course the tip matches the color of the frame. There you go. All right. So there is your first look at the sky blue Galaxy S26 Ultra. I'm not sure that my camera does this blue justice, but it looks similar to what I'm looking at right now. Anyway, so in the next video, I'll be turning this phone on and we're going to be going through some of the features. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed, because like always, we're going to go through the entire phone and make tutorials, look at tips, tricks, extra features that you can use with this phone. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you stay tuned, because all that is coming up in the subsequent episode. Thanks for watching and good luck.